We left Rocky Fork earlier today, and now we're at a Harvest Host. This is the Air Heritage Aviation Museum in Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania. So we're back in our home state, and this is just incredible. Pieces and parts of aircraft and bombs and unique things all over the place. All over. Planes hanging from the ceiling, parachutes, aircraft motors, propellers, you name it. They're restoring a small private craft over there. And this one. This is a Navy, I believe it's a trainer. It's a 9-cylinder engine in it. It's in beautiful shape. But here is an amazing craft. I can't even get it in. There we go. And there's more. Wait and see. There are numerous wings around, and small craft, and of course large. This is luck of the Irish being restored. Incredible. Now we're outside, and there are some incredible aircraft here as well. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of a few of them. This one's big. And jets, but there's more around the corner. We'll show you them in a bit. Here's a little more of a close-up of this one. This is an Army aircraft. Experimental aircraft. I have no idea what kind of experience or experiments they do. It's got a triple tail. Very interesting. And then over here is another Army aircraft. Another twin engine. Personnel carrier. See if we can see inside the windows. Not a lot to see there, at least up front. Watch out for the propellers. Just a bunch of equipment in there. Have you touched the aircraft in this hot, hot sun? This is very intriguing. These are just odd aircraft here. I don't quite understand what they are. Cut here for emergency rescue. Let's see what's inside. I'll have to look later. It's over my head. Now we're going to get a closer look at this one. This looks to be the jet aircraft. Some kind. Nope. That looks like maybe a jet assist, but I think that's a prop. Goes on there. U.S. Air Force C-123. Yep, I see that danger zone there. Propeller. Yep, this is prop driven. Must be like a turbo prop. Thunder Pig. It's huge. What's inside of this one? I don't know. Can you see? Yeah. Now we get to some smaller jets. This one doesn't have landing gear on it. It looks pretty rough at the moment, but it's pretty cool. I don't know. Looks like it. I'll have to do some research. I'll let you know. Bird. Kind of looks like a de Havilland of some kind. It is British. And next to that, this is not British. Yeah, he does. It looks like he's already fainted. He's tipped over. So this is about the height of my head right here. Right at the point. It's eye level. There, Jenny's in there so you can see a little bit of that. The intakes on those jet engines. But over here, my uncle navigated one of these in Vietnam War. Maybe not this model, I don't know.
Those guys are
no, they're a little tipped over, a little tipsy, it's hot. It's hot in there, yeah. Some kind of an F4 Phantom. Jenny's standing in the shade of the tail. Yeah. This is amazing here. What a neat harvest host.
And if you go just a little further,
Oh.
around the end.
Let's do that. You can see Tiffy right there. This is the tail hook. For a landing on an aircraft carrier. So yeah, we're parked right here. where we're living for the night. Can't back up any further.